If you love bakery scents, this cake batter fragrance oil is such a fun one to try. And it smells like someone's baking a cake right now. The smell is amazing. This P&J Trading Cake Batter Scent Oil is a versatile fragrance oil that can be used for candle making, soap making, and diffusers. What I love the most is the sweet dessert-inspired scent that adds a cozy bakery feel to your space or your DIY projects. The 100ml bottle gives you plenty of fragrance oil to create multiple crafts or refresh your favorite diffuser. I received this product for honest feedback. This smells so good. I know you will love this. If you love warm, sweet scents to enjoy making your own candles and soaps, this is definitely worth checking out. And the link is in the description.